Hello here we learn how to convert the PDF file to DWG file in AutoCAD. This is about the PDF. We are going to convert it into the DWG file. Let's open AutoCAD, start drawing, and two process to convert this. The first one is go to insert and there is a tab attach, click on attach, and their file types you select the PDF. If not showing the image, then it not be shown, and select the PDF files and select the PDF from your computer and just open or double click it, and there is a lots of files in this PDF that's combined, so you can select the one of them and press OK. The file has been kept at the origin 00. If not showing, then press Z enter, click enter. The file has been kept. If I click this work as a block. That's why this is work as a block. You can shift also. You can not edit this because this is not converted into DWG. For doing this, just click on it and go to import object. And after clicking it, it's saying specify the first kernel of the area to import. Just we have to convert this whole area. That's why we are selecting this kernel to up to this kernel. Okay. And here the keep dates and unload. Press unload. It will take some time to convert into DWG. Wait a few seconds. This file has been converted into DWG. Now we can edit. You can just click OK. The file, all the line has been selected like this. You can edit it for your voice. You can delete or change some change because this is selecting. And you can save as a DWG. This file has been converted into DWG, and you can now edit it. And the second method, just go to open the new tab and just go to insert, and there is the functions PDF import. You can directly here first process where attach and then convert it. Here you can just click in import options and import PDF and just select the file type PDF and just select it and first page select and press OK and specify the point where you want to put there. It takes time. The file is came. Here you can directly edit because this file is in a DWG convert PDF to direct DWG. The last ones here we have to attach and then we have to convert, but this is the direct process. Thank you for watching this video.